It's coming up to Christmas time, and a lot of us are starting to maybe give some thought what we might do for Christmas presents. I got a couple of little granddaughters I love dearly, and that might be something very special with them. It's sort of a tradition with many families to make gingerbread houses for Christmas, and I thought, we're in the glass business, so maybe it would be interesting to make little glass gingerbread houses. The great thing about little glass gingerbread houses is with the real ones, you can't keep them because they'll spoil. If we make them out of glass, we can keep them and keep reusing them year after year and become little family heirlooms. The glass gingerbread houses for these projects are made the same as a gingerbread house that you would bake in your oven, but instead of gingerbread, they're made with glass the color of gingerbread. And instead of decorating with cake frosting, fused bits of white glass is added to look like cake frosting. The candies used to decorate them are made from glass that was fused or cast to look like real candies. You'll learn how to use a pattern to set out stringers and noodles to fuse onto glass, to be cut into strips to make candy cane. You'll even learn how to make glass lollipops.